Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's Vlog. Ooh, ooh. Happy Vlogmas. I have not done Vlogmas in so long. It's been like done it. It's been some years, like maybe like 2-3 years, something like that. But I'm in the spirit. I'm excited. I'm ready. It's Vlogmas. So it's gonna be a real quick, you know, well, maybe not be too quick. I'm just gonna do my Christmas holiday decorations. It's probably gonna be split up into more than one video, but before I keep yapping my mouth, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because this Vlogmas is going to be lit like lights on a Christmas tree. Okay, big period. Anyway, today I'm just doing bless you. Today I'm just doing the ribbons and the bows on the cabinet today, and then I know we'll probably do the Christmas tree in a few weeks, and then I'm gonna do, or maybe I'll split it up. I don't know. I probably won't. No, I probably would just put everything in one video. Anyway, so yeah, I'm probably gonna do another little craft this weekend. I'm excited. I just love Christmas. Maybe because it's my first Christmas with a baby. I mean, like, even though he's not gonna be one by the time Christmas comes, I'm still excited. You know, the lights and the trees and the okay, I love Christmas. Anyway, so this is what it's looking like so far. How freaking cute is that? Y'all, I did that. How cute is that? That is so that's so freaking adorable. That's so adorable. That is so adorable. Like, I really did that. So we're gonna do these ones over here. I'm really just gonna show y'all a quick little tutorial, just cause, you know, how boring. Y'all need to watch me do the whole thing, so y'all can just watch a little bit. So first things first. All right, first things first, when it comes to things that you will need, first of all, this is not an expensive little craft to do. We literally got these from the dollar store, okay? And then the ribbon from Hobby Lobby. They have them at the dollar store, or you can get them from Walmart. It really just depends on what color ribbon you want. And then the little sticky tab. Can y'all see that? Sticky tab, what you can get from Walmart. I don't know if dollar store has sticky tab. And then last but not least, I suggest either a stapler or some hot glue. For me, we didn't have a stapler, or else I would have used it, but since we didn't, you know. So first things first, I'm gonna get my ribbon and I'm gonna measure it. And what I'm doing, I'm gonna show y'all in a second. What I'm doing is I'm slightly putting the what do you call this? The ribbon on the inside of the cabinet door. And that's how I'm measuring it. So you see, this is what it's looking like so far. And so because I want to fold a little bit of the ribbon inside, that's how I'm deciding where I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to cut it right here. Alright, now I'm going to get my sticky tab. I'm going to split this little piece into two. Alright, so I got more sticky tab, and I also measured out the other side, or the horizontal ribbon. I'm trying my best to like make it the same alignment with the other ones that I did. Oh Lord. Y'all, let me go get this baby. I think he's tired. Now I think I know he's tired. Alright, now it's ribbon time. And for the ribbon, I'm literally, quite literally, just going to put hot glue on this part right here. You don't need a ton, just a little bit. And then you're going to stick it to this middle part right here. Let me stand up, make sure I can see. Ugh. And voila! You see that? Just like that. Just like that. You're done. Now let me show you the inside so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is how the inside looks. You see that? And then close it and boom! Isn't that so freaking cute? So freaking cute.